What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. I want to ask you all to do me a huge favor. Take 5 seconds of your time. Go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. And while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider doing so. With that being said, we just got done filling up on E85 and it is officially Dyno Day. So we got about 30 minutes left. Right now I'm going to run in the store, get a 20-pound bag of ice, get some drinks, get some snacks, and head on over to the dyno. That being said, let's get straight to this video. How much power do you think we're gonna make, baby?
Like dyno power.
Like a lot of power?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I just found a spot with a little bit of light here from the building right up here. Anyhow, they are strapping the car down to the dyno right now. I'm so excited. Is it gonna make the 900 that people are thinking? I doubt it. Maybe 800. I'll be happy with 750 to be honest. Anyhow, let's go check on them, see what's going on, and hopefully we'll make some good power. In fact, I know we're going to make some good power based on our 60 to 130 times, 5.96 seconds. That's no joke. It's a lot of power. The car is fast. We're going to do a 7th gear pull, of course. That's our 1-to-1 gear, and it should be pretty interesting. Centering the dyno right now. So first pull, we were just making sure everything is good. 737 on the first hit.
616 torque.
616 torque. So we shall see. guys, we keep spinning on the dyno, so high 6s, mid 7s every time, but we're spinning every time. So the first run we didn't quite get into it. IETs seem to be good. We shall see. So here's the chart so far. This is the run that we gradually got into it. It didn't spin, we made 737. These two runs right here, obviously we're spinning. So 712, 684. Pretty wild. Just broke a strap. Alright guys, we didn't quite get the numbers that we wanted. I was shooting for 750, but I guess we're not far off, 737, and we weren't able to fully get into it, of course, so that's just kind of rolling into it. We broke a strap, spun the dyno every time, so once we get an ice box on the car, we'll probably get a tire as well and come back. Alright guys, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you think I should have made more power. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Until next time, we're checking out.